everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout today. So I'm going to scrapbook this single photo. I'm going to start with that blue background, and I did just show you the sticker sheet because there's a deer on it, and that will figure in to go with this photo. So the navy paper I'm using is the Cartabella White Christmas multi-journaling cards. I'm using the other side of it. And then I'm adding in some 6x8 pieces of paper from my Ellie Studio Christmas collections. So the stripe paper is Ellie Studio Wonder 6x8 paper. That's 2021. And I love those rainbow pieces of paper. And I had, I think, 3 pieces this year, like this one left over and then 2, and I only used 1, or maybe I had 4 actually, and then I had 3 left over at the end of the year. So I really wanted to make sure that I used at least one of them in my scrapbooking of the like 12 by 12 layouts from Christmas. So these are going to go into my, this one will go into my grandkids' albums, not mine. Otherwise, this photo probably would have ended up in my December daily. The red paper that I just grabbed, the graph paper, is Ellie Studio Basics 6x8 from last year or the year before, I can't remember. And then I put all of that, I mounted the photo there on that plaid paper, which you've seen multiple times already. That is from Photo Play Santa Paws. It's a Christmas Antics paper. And I'm trying to figure out what to do. So this is, they went to a children's theater in Milwaukee, which is near where we all live, and they saw Rudolph. So I thought it would be cute to get the deer on there. And I had, when I was scrapbooking something the week before, I saw that deer and thought, oh, that would work great with that photo from Rudolph, even though that's not really Rudolph, but hey, close. That sticker is from the Photo Play Not a Creature with Stirring Element stickers. And then I'm adding that Santa. He's from the Simple Stories Holidays cardstock stickers. And then I have the tree, and that is a die cut from the Simple Stories Holidays bits and pieces. So kind of just playing with a few elements here. I love that I have a deer and Santa, and they actually came from 2 different sticker sheets, which is cool. And that I use those up. I am going to take a piece of that graph paper and make a banner out of it. So that's what's at top. And then the stocking, that pink stocking up there, is from the Holidays cardstock stickers, because that's a sticker. So I'm just making the banner here, and then I'll add that on. I didn't talk about this Dear Santa journaling card. Is from the Simple Stories Holidays journaling bits and pieces. And I like the Dear Santa aspect of that, again, because this layout's about them going to see the Rudolph play. And they all loved it. The 3 oldest kids went, which is pretty cool because my grandson ended up, I'm trying to think, he went to see, twas the night before Christmas. He went to see Scrooge, Christmas Carol, with them for the first time this year, and then he saw this, so he really liked it. My granddaughter hasn't been to any productions yet, and she really loved it, but it's children's theater, so I think that's pretty cool. I'm adding in that little date die cut, and that came from my Ellie Studio Christmas kit this year. The pieces from that. And how funny, I'm sitting outside and it's supposed to be snowing or raining today, and it's snowing out. So interesting. Our weather's been warm, but I think it's getting colder. So yeah, I'm talking about Christmas layouts and watching it snow. Happy January. So although my birthday was a couple days ago and it poured rain, and my birthday is usually really cold, so I feel pretty lucky that we haven't had a lot of that this year. All right, back to the layout. I can stop nattering, as Rachel always used to say. I did add that blue stocking, by the way. I don't remember if I said that. And that one came from the cardstock stickers from Holidays. So I'm adding in this alpha to get in the words first stage there. And I'm going to just use the 1ST because I didn't have enough of some letter. Plus, I also knew it wouldn't really fit across the top of this very well. That Candy Cane Alpha is American Crafts Stickers in Winter Wonderland. Is the name. They're almost like a rubber. So they're kind of sassy about staying on. I will definitely say that. I have sometimes added extra glue to these because they will fall off, which is a little frustrating. but I still like them. And I just found this Ho 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 sticker, and that came from the Holidays cardstock stickers. I thought that was kind of a cute little something over Santa there. And just, I want to add more stuff next to that tree. It needs more. And I haven't quite found the right thing yet. So I thought about that present. That didn't work. Didn't love the stocking with that. So I'm going through, I have a dish with 3 compartments in it that I talked about quite a bit during the December daily process. But I like it because I've got wood veneer in one side and chipboard in another, and then or die cuts and chipboard from Simple Stories, and then the die cuts from my Ellie Studio kit. So I found that present, which is from Simple Stories Holidays, the chipboard, and then I'm thinking about that circle, which is from the die cuts from Simple Stories Holidays, which is, in this particular case, is called Bits and Pieces. The one thing that's bugging me about that is it's an awful lot of white compared to the journaling card that I want to use. And then I found that Ho 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 puffy sticker from, see, the letters just shifted there. I had to redo those. That Ho 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 from the Simple Stories Holidays puffy stickers. So I added that and then pulled off that round circle. I liked it better that way. The present is not quite the right scale for the tree, but oh well, sometimes that happens. At least that's what I'm saying for this one and sticking to it. So I am adding some enamel dots here. Just, I often finish my layouts with that. And they are from Altenew Tea Party. Okay, I'm laughing now because it's raining and snowing at the same time. I can tell. It's just a little crazy. But big, chunky, puffy snowflakes. Just huge snowflakes falling. It's crazy. Good thing I'm having chili for dinner tonight. Sorry, guys. But that's life. That's life here in Wisconsin. All right, here is a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well. I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.